rabbit.
That's the rabbit. Sweet rabbit. Sweet. Oh, this is sweet.
Let him play with that book again.
What's that book do?
I don't know why he likes leaning back like that every time. Can you say thank you? I think that's just thank you. Thank you, Aunt Kelly, Uncle John. Can you say bye-bye?
Can you blow him a kiss?